Hi guys, I'm back again. I just got an Amazon package, a light, NEEWER light brand, for my unboxing videos. So let's unbox it. So first, this is the light, NEEWER, from Amazon. So yeah, so that's the light. It's a good quality. Plastic, it's all plastic. The buttons are plastic. Yep, so that's the light. And that's a USB charger, USB-C. Yep. It's good quality light. So you got lightning, you got paparazzi, you got bulb, you got explosion, welding, flash, Q flash, some really cool lights. CCT pulse, I don't know what that means. Hue pulse. Got this blue light, cop car. Oh, that's sick. Candle. Look how bright that is, guys. Candle. Hue loop.